Love is something that almost everyone needs, but not all are able to have it for some reason. But sometimes love becomes a cure, and sometimes it becomes poison if we choose it wrongly. And there are many more facts about love that you don't know yet. First, love at first sight exists. Almost all people experience love at first sight in their lives. But there are also those who do not go through it. Whether it's when we're little, grown up, or even older, we definitely feel what love at first sight is. Second, love can mature people. Someone who is serious in romance will definitely become more mature than before. For example, start thinking about marriage. In marriage, the most important thing is responsibility, sincerity, and honesty. Surely from this there will be maturity in you. Third, it doesn't take long for someone to fall in love. The time required for someone to fall in love varies, but some say that the range for someone to fall in love is between 4 to 5 weeks. But it's different for those who have a broken heart. It may take longer to fall in love again. This is because a broken heart needs time to heal and not be able to come back in the near future. 4. Aware of the similarities with the partner after a long relationship. After a long relationship, you will begin to detect similarities with each other. Easy to say, have the same habits or temperament, and can also have the same interests and hobbies. For your knowledge, sometimes with friends you can have similarities in any aspect. However, if you are in a relationship, you can definitely identify your similarities with your partner because you have spent a lot of time together. 5. Having the same personality does not necessarily match. This is because most people can have a lot in common without being a couple. If you feel that you and your partner have a lot in common, so you both have a strong match, you are completely wrong. There are many married couples who have nothing in common with each other but are still able to step into the realm of marriage and build a long-lasting relationship. As well as vice versa, having a lot in common with each other does not guarantee a strong and lasting match. 6. Love is usually the main factor in people's survival. Most people survive because of love. When a person is facing a problem, he will survive the problem when he remembers about the person he loves. Often, the first person we think of when we want to end our life because we are not willing to go through suffering is the person we love. By thinking about it, we will begin to realize that there is still something we need to defend, and there is still a reason for us to continue living. It can be said that love is a mystery. You will never know until you go through it yourself and experience it. Love is necessary, but make sure it is sincere and not fake. I hope my sharing this time is useful. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.